This has been at $20 at Costco. Single use, rechargeable, well, you can use this to slowly charge your smartphones and other devices. USB, so you can plug it in here or plug it into another USB outlet. And for the first use, they say to plug it, leave it like this for 3 hours, plus these for different foot types. And then there's a light here that blinks, and then once it's finished charging, it'll be solid. And then when you do this, you have this one on, off, as well as 2 speed settings. Speed 1, speed 2. Again, these two make contact here, and that's it.